Yo, Brandon Marshall, what's for lunch?
Let's do brunch.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Chef Donny is a blessing. What we got here, they say you're him. Is that true?
We'll see. I don't know. You got to tell me. You're taste tester on this one. This is What's for Lunch with Brandon Marshall. What a special guest. First guest, actually, I've ever had on.
No pressure. Watch this. The garnish just to make it look pretty.
There you go. You got it.
Trying to do it without cutting my finger. What we also have is some eggs. He's whipping them up. This is simple.
That's simple. That's done right there. You don't want to go anymore.
We're done. If you mess up eggs, you shouldn't be in the kitchen.
That's exactly
or
right.
if you mess up eggs, then they should watch your show so you can teach them how to cook eggs.
That's true, too.
Right? What is this, chef?
This is a potato latke, so sweet potato, little egg, a little bit of flour in there. You blend it all up, and you fry that. It's a nice little crispy, kind of like a hash brown, but a little bit more body in there, a little thicker.
I can't wait to have that.
And then
how did I do?
Those look great. I'm gonna do a couple more, just, but they look good.
So basically, you said everyone.
No, hey, I said it, you got to start somewhere. Just a little smaller. That's it.
Okay. Did you go to school for this?
No, I just worked in a restaurant since I was 15, and then this past summer, I was out in France working at a nice restaurant out there. So I picked up really honed the skills.
You fell in love with it.
I fell in love with it. I've been in love with it forever.
You know what's crazy for real?
What's that? Hold on.
You keep running to.
I got an oven over here.
I'm actually, I have an itch for getting in the kitchen.
Yeah?
No, for real, like just a straight vibe. I'll probably take out your cooking book, get some glass of wine, light a couple candles, put some dope music on, and just learn.
I love it. That's what we're here for. You're in the right place.
I've cooked before, but simple
it's
stuff.
Great place to start. So we have our toast here.
Okay.
I'm just gonna slice this in half.
Why'd you do it on the angle?
This looks nicer.
Looks nicer.
A little prettier.
Did you learn this in France?
Yeah, you pick up things here and there, and they're like slicing on the angle. That's all the French.
fancy.
And we'll go with this. These are nice caramelized onions, a little bit of roasted garlic. That's been going for like 2 hours. So you get a really nice sweetness from that. And that's all the natural sugars in that onion that just came out. Nothing added to it. Super easy. And this makes the kitchen smells so great.
Good.
Exactly.
Oh
you put this on, everyone thinks you're doing something crazy. It's just onions.
For real.
Onions and butter.
Do you have a girlfriend?
I don't know. Currently single.
Bro, all you gotta do is like, if you got a nicer crib.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad.
All right, clean your crib.
It's not bad.
Clean your crib. All right.
Yeah.
Boom. Get some incense.
Yep.
And then one candle.
Okay.
Right. Dim the lights. You got dimmers on your lights?
Yeah, I got dimmers.
Dim the light. I'm gonna send you a playlist. Put on some dope sound. You like wine?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. Get a nice bottle of wine. 2 bottles of wine.
2 bottles. All
Yeah,
right.
because 2. If it's good, you're gonna go to the second bottle.
Okay.
Okay. And then just have her come, sit her at the island, and you just cook for her.
That's it.
No, you know what? You take her through the process. Teach her a dish.
Okay.
Man.
You think that'll do it?
What?
All right. I mean,
that's what I'm trying to get into.
You. And then we got a little smoked salmon. You want to finish that with the garnish on top?
Oh yeah, I'll do the garnish.
Get that garnish on there.
About the garnish.
You can't forget your salt. But that smoked salmon.
Are you gonna salt bay it? You salt baying it?
I don't do the gimmicks.
I
don't need to do the gimmicks.
You don't do the gimmicks.
The food speaks for itself. And a little bit of that. Boom. You know what we gotta do?
You learned that in France too.
In France too. See, if there's something like that, you gotta get rid of that. Make it look pretty.
You're fancy.
Do a latke on the side. And I just made this morning. This is a fresh, little spicy mayonnaise. So we're gonna serve the latke with that.
A latke with a vodka. Do you do this?
That's Italian. It's more Italian.
Okay. What do they do in France?
Latke.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Did you bring that to the States?
I'm working on it. We're gonna do that.
I love your presentation.
Thank you. That's the attention to detail. You gotta finish it off. It can taste good, but you gotta make it. You eat with your eyes first, then you eat with your tongue. Right on that sauce.
I thought I was gonna get a paper plate, some scrambled eggs, and a waffle. This dude took us to France.
We do it all out. We go all out in this kitchen.
Choosh. I love it.
Right. Dig in.
Bro, it's like 4 or 5 flavors, just like boom. This is amazing.
Thanks, dude.
It really is. Have you had this guy's food?
Oh yeah.
I see why they built this damn shit for you. It's so good. So good.
Thanks for coming by. Get a bite of that on the crispy side.
I love you. That date I was talking about?
Yeah?
Let's go on a date.
Good for you? I'll get the wine. I'll get the wine.
When you get the wine, I'll go to the grocery store.
What's your favorite thing to eat? Next time I'll know.
Whatever you cook.
You're the man. You're the man. I appreciate you.
It's so good. Yeah, bro, that's how you get a lady, dog. You say, hey, you meet me at my crib, bro. I'm back tomorrow. Let's do a part 2.
Yeah, you just have to have a few good staples. You have to have a couple good knives.